Welcome to the Hotel Melrose, a fully renovated boutique hotel located in the heart of downtown Grand Junction, Colorado. This historic property has been meticulously transformed, offering 16 luxurious suites designed to provide a level of elegance typically found in the big city hotels, something truly unique to this area. Completed in 2023, the renovation was comprehensive, taking the building down to the studs, so while it retains the historic charm, it now offers all the amenities of a brand new hotel. Our prime location in downtown Grand Junction, which was named one of the top 10 downtowns in the United States by USA Today, positions the Hotel Melrose at the center of a vibrant community. Grand Junction is a haven for outdoor enthusiasts, offering natural beauty and a variety of activities. The Grand Valley and Colorado wine country are premier destinations for mountain biking and are in close proximity to some of the nation's top ski resorts. Additionally, we are near the closest regional airport for travelers seeking to explore the stunning national parks of southern Utah. The Hotel Melrose is professionally managed with a focus on quality control to ensure every guest enjoys the experience of genuine hospitality. We've implemented a fully automated guest experience, allowing guests to access the property and their rooms using their smartphones. This modern convenience not only enhances the guest experience, but also significantly reduces the need for on-site personnel, making our operations more efficient, a key competitive advantage for this asset. Adding to the appeal of the Hotel Melrose, our tenant, Melrose Spirit Co. This high-end cocktail lounge has quickly become a local favorite, known for offering the finest quality cocktails. The demand is clear, with frequent lines out the door as patrons eagerly wait to experience the lounge. This popularity not only elevates the hotel's brand, but also drives additional traffic to the property, reducing our marketing costs. Are you an investor looking to capitalize on property appreciation and cash flow? We invite you to reach out to a member of our team to learn more about this and other real estate investment opportunities we have available.